In this video, you will see how tympanometry is conducted on a SmartVS patient. After selecting Anya Tran as our patient, we will move the mouse over and click on the test room. After entering the test room, we can see Anya's avatar. Now we need to move the mouse over and make sure that the frequency is set to 226 on the tympanometer. Click on the tympanometer to put it into the tray. With the tympanometer in the tray, move up to the Testing Tips tab in the cabinet. Choose the appropriate tip for the size of the ear canal. Click on the appropriate tip to put it on the tympanometer. Once the tip appears in the tray, click on the tympanometer to move it towards the ear. Make sure the tympanometer tip is pointed into the ear canal and press the button to begin the test. Once you've pressed the button, you will see the graph being drawn in the box in the top left-hand corner, and the results will be indicated in the box. You can copy this to the report by pressing the Copy Last Image to Clipboard button, and you will be ready for the next test. After completing the left ear, double-click on the tympanometer to move it to the right ear and insert it in the ear canal. Press the button and draw the graph for the right ear. Again, hit the Copy Last Image to Clipboard button to copy it into your report. When conducting the test, if you've chosen a tip that is too small, your patient will indicate that it is too loose, meaning you need to go and choose a larger size tip. When conducting the test, if your patient says ouch, that indicates that you've not got the ear tip into the canal correctly. Reposition and try testing again. If you received an error message indicating tip needed, that means you've forgotten to choose a testing tip to go on your tympanometer before placing it in the ear. If the resulting tympanogram has an unusual shape or as a double peak, check the frequency at which you've done to see if it's 1000 Hertz. Remember, for an adult, you need to use the 226 Hertz for your tympanogram.